Hi everyone, I'm here to demo GPSSaver to prove that it does in fact work. So I have my friend's tablet, which I borrowed, and then my phone. I mentioned hopefully in the presentation that Wi-Fi Direct will work even if you're not on the same Wi-Fi network. So you'll notice the tablet is connected to Wi-Fi, but the phone, I actually disconnected the Wi-Fi and took the SIM card out. So you'll see the phone shows it has no internet whatsoever. So the phone, though, does have full battery, and the tablet is kind of low on battery. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the phone as the client device to send its location to the server device, which is the tablet. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. We go to GPSSaver. We go to GPSSaver. Okay, you'll notice right now it shows my device, and it shows the name of the device on each of them, but it says no other devices found. So I need to click this search button, this discover button in the top right, which will look for other Wi-Fi Direct devices, and you'll notice now it sees the other device. So now I can actually make the connection. So let's go ahead and do that. So since the phone is going to be the client, I'm going to do the connection from the phone. And now you'll notice a connect button pops up. Takes a few seconds to do the connection, and now you'll notice they're connected. So it says this device will act as a client. This one says opening a server socket. And now there's disconnect buttons if you want to break the connection. So let's just, before I've even sent the location, I click view map. It's going to open up a Google map, and it's going to just put the marker in the middle of the ocean. So if I zoom out here, it's actually, I guess this is latitude 0, longitude 0. So off the coast of Africa. So let's go back. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to send location from the phone. So I click send location. Now notice it updated GPS coordinates right there. And yet the GPS never actually turned on the tablet. There's no GPS symbol on the tablet, but on the phone, now there is a GPS symbol. So now if I go to view map, it pinpoints me in Ames, Iowa, and it's actually a pretty accurate location. So I live in North Ames, and that's indeed where it is. So, and again, if I go back, every time I press send location, you'll notice, since it's going to update very slightly, because sometimes the GPS will get a slightly different fix. So sometimes it'll be exactly the same, but it's pretty accurate, and at any point that you send a new location, the map will automatically update for you. Okay, and then the last thing, when you're done with location updates, either the client or the server can disconnect, and it goes back to this screen where now it will, in this case, it still sees the other device. Eventually, it won't see it anymore. The phone already doesn't see the other device. But if I click discover, then after a few seconds of searching, do that on both, the connection can once again be made. Okay, so hopefully that demonstrates that it seems to work pretty well. And with a third device, it works exactly the same way. Whatever the most recent location sent is will be the one that's displayed on the map. Okay, thanks for listening.